Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about data types in Python. Okay, I have notes with all information that you needed. I'll place in my description and you can download from my description, and I have also programs which I was coded in this video. So I'll make the link in my description. You can download the programs also. Okay, without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, first of all we have to know what are data types. In Python, the following data types are built-in functions. So they have two types. Okay, without come here with the following: Python can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Okay, Python has the following data types built in defaults. So these are the following diagram which shows the data types clearly. Okay, data types are divided into mutable and immutables. Immutables is nothing but which cannot be changed, and mutables means which can be changed. These are the types. Okay, in mutables, numbers is comes first. Okay, these are the numeric data types which we use in number in mutable data types. Okay, int and float and complex, we know this very much. Okay, we'll code here. Okay, I'm going to remove this. Okay, I'll paste here. Okay, number I gave num is equal to 1 to 3 and rate is equal to 13.45 and complex is equal to 4G. I'm gonna save this and run on. Watch here. The class type of num is int, and float is complex, and the following will be the continuation. Okay, I'll come again to strings. Strings is characters of enclosure with the single quotes and double quotes, and multiples can denoted by the closing triples or quotes. And this is one example: s1 is equal to valcup and s2 is equal to the following. In the strings are immutable. To retrieve the string characters, we can use the slicing operator. Here one example here, and one more example here. Using slicing operator, we can print the following program in this manner. Okay, note should be observed. Okay, in this including in this store including, yeah, you can watch in my PDF which was given in my description. These are a few commands which are used in the strings. Okay, strip method to remove volatile spaces from some adjustments. Okay, we're gonna code for this program. I'll make here. Okay, I'm gonna say this. Before that, we're going to know about what is this program going to tell you. Okay, I'll give var is equal to 1 and var2 is equal to Python videos. I printed the type of var1 and var2 and printed the length of var1 and var2. Okay, I'll print var2. 2 means sorry, come on. 2 means it's prints var1. It prints var1 in okay, it starts from 0 1 2. Okay, e will be printed and come in the bottom. Okay, print var2 from var2 from 1 to 7. It starts from 0 to 1. Y, it prints y from y to the e. I think up to e it will print. Okay, we're gonna save this file. I'm gonna run this. Watch here. We're given the type of var1 and var2 are string types, and length of the var1 and var2 are 4 and 13, and we printed var1 of 2 will be e, and 1 to 7 words. Yeah, 1 2 3. Okay, e, And the next one, Python B. It's swapped from 1 to 7 programs. The following will be detected. Okay, I'll remove this one and I'll place here. Okay, I gave s is equal to some string value and printed something. Watch the replace command here. Where's this? The replace command. Methods are replace a string with another string. It is used to change the word into our favorable word. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Before that, we are going to replace s to d, and we gave some small letters string values, and capital S is used to convert the word into capital letters, and dot strip is used to remove the gaps, front and back gaps. Okay, I'm going to run this. Okay, watch here. Replace commands is used here, and capitalized is used to convert the first word into capital letter, and it removes the spaces. Okay, next I'm gonna remove this. Okay, I'll give here. Actually, this is used for, instead of command we can use 3 apostrophes, and we gave L star and L star and R star. L star is used to remove the spaces from left, and R star is used for remove the spaces from right. I'm gonna save this and run this. Okay, watch here. Lower and upper are used to change the words from lower to upper cases. Okay, here L star removes the spaces from left, and R star removes the spaces from right. Okay, the uppercase I gave hello here, so it's gonna change hello small letters. In Python it changes to upper words. Okay, I'll remove this. I'm going to remove this apostrophes here. Okay, next one I gave the next one I printed split here, so I'm going to split this word parts like hello and word and hi. Okay, split, and I'm going to split L. Okay, it removes the L value, and I gave my name here, and typed split B, and removes my words. Removes my word, and I gave ends with D. This is used to check whether true or false. Okay, I gave here ends with free, and ends with D. It is false. Run this. Okay, watch here. The split operator, split command is used to split our words, and this L splits here and remove some spaces here, and in my name I split B. It removes B, and ends with D. It is false, so ends with D. Come on, it was my name. Okay, here ends with D. It is false, so it is false, and ends with yes. In my friends it is true, so it is special, so it is shown as true. Okay, I'll remove this content. Oh shit, this is a little bit difficult. Okay, now I'm going to quote some more some interesting code, and I'll give spaces here. Okay, apostrophes, 3 apostrophes. Okay, so you can read the commands in my notebook. Okay, in my notebook, which is given in my description. You can download easily from the Play Store, from the Chrome or any other drives. Okay, so ends with here is some commands. Ends with in splits here the string is subjected if we find instance of the separation. Okay, capitalize first here, and again here are fine and maximum. Here it shows the maximum value in our word, and minimum means it shows the minimum word in our word. And is title is used to check whether the title is true or false. Okay, okay, it's false. Okay, starts with a, it's false. Okay, we know that. Okay, I gave here some words with my name. Okay, I'll find x. Where is x? We are going to know the exact position of x. We use find command. Okay, it is in my name. It is in my in 11th place here from the right. Okay, in the print max value, in max value it prints the highest number. In minimum value it prints the lowest number, starting number. Okay, in the print, okay, in my name I placed as title, and printed is the title, so it is not the title, so it shows as false. I'll remove this content. Come on, so something is wrong. Okay, so I'll remove this. Okay, I'll remove this also. So I gave s is equal to hi friends and welcome here, and c count, where's this, yeah, here, c count how many substrings occurs in a string. It checks whether the how many strings are appears, how many characters are present in our given object. So in this s string it checks how many e letters are there, and it in center hash is used to place our in front of our object. You can see when I compile. Okay, is all num, it checks whether we given number or any other word, and print it is false. Okay, is a space, it checks whether it was a space or any other thing. Okay, it checks like that, and I'll make other thing, print space, yes, dot e space, yeah, it's space. It's check whether it was space or not. If it is space, it will it shows true, or it will shows false, or else it shows false. Okay, R just 20 and L just 23. It provides some spaces from right to left. Okay, I'll run this, you can watch here easily. So I gave s is equal to here, and it checks s dot count. So four e's are present in s object. So I told you already, hash was used to present the hash in front of the object, and true is all alphabets, and num is all num command is used to check whether our object is numbers and alphabets only. E space, it's, so watch here, is digits, it's true, and I gave digits in string. So here, and I check are just 20 spaces from right. It gives 20 spaces from right, it takes 20 spaces from right, and sorry, what is this? Okay, and L just 25, L just 23 is used here, and I'll remove this code. that's all for the string. And we'll start tuples here. Where's this tuples? Yeah, tuples, a sequence of immutable Python objects. That means immutables means which cannot be changed in our program. So they are called immutables. So sequences, tuples are defined with the parentheses, items separated by the commas, and we can see some examples here. Okay, I'm going to code here. Okay, I'll remove this. Okay, in the tuple I'll adjust some spaces. Okay, in the tuples I gave a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday in brackets with the following commas, and I gave weeks as Sunday, Monday without braces. I printed weeks, and I printed type of weeks, and I printed week of sixth what we have in the weeks in sixth position. I'm gonna save this and check whether it was true or false. So see here, the both commands are true in tuples. We can use this step or week steps also. So in the last it presents as tuple in the type. Okay, at the sixth place it's printed as Saturday. Weeks of 6 is Saturday, so it's printed Saturday. And from 1 to 5 it's printed from 0 1. Monday to Wednesday, Thursday, it's Thursday, from Monday to Thursday. Okay, we're gonna check this command assignment. So I'm gonna run. So it's showing some error because the assignment is not it's not the property in the tuple, because immutables cannot be assigned any value. So we cannot assign any values in tuples or any immutables data types. So I'm gonna type mutable data types. Mutable data types are the objects in the list or sequences items which do not need to be of same type. So in this list we can use slicing operator. All items are separated by commas and enclosed with the same brackets, square brackets. In the general format list I gave some examples here. And immutables are used to change the values during runtime. Okay, I gave few examples here. We can access the list on their indexes. Okay, I'm gonna give some changes here. Yeah, so I printed the list and I gave few salaries in the square brackets, and in the brackets, slicing operator. So I printed the salaries and type of the salaries, and the second type of the salaries. So it shows like this. So I printed the salaries here. Okay, data types, I printed the salaries here, and the type of will be list, and I printed the second place of the salary is start from 0 1 2 3. It's 30, so it's printed as 30. So check whether this we can use in this type or not. So I'm gonna say this, run this. So it's showing an error. We can't use this type of assignment in list. So I'm gonna give hash value here. So let's see how can we assign the value in our list. So I'm gonna remove this. So here I gave salaries second plus is equal to 40. This is the assignment command that we are going to use in the list. So I printed the salaries of second, that means 30's value, and third place value. I printed the type of salaries. So let's see after this execution. So I'm gonna save this, I'm gonna run this. So let's see here. We observed that 30 plus 40, I gave 40, no, 30 plus 40 is equal to 70, and I printed the second one. Now I'm going to see whether the type of the data type has changed or not. So I'm gonna okay, I gave here, and yeah, append. Dot append is used to add some values in our object. So I printed again the salaries. And I'll mark here. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm going to save this and run this. Invalid syntax, something is wrong, don't mind. Run this. What is this? So the error is showing here is we should give apostrophes and after our before our command line here. So I'm going to remove here and give. I'm gonna save this. So watch here. Salaries of 40 I gave here, and the type of will be it doesn't change here, so it was list. And append 50. Here we can observe the 50 as added in our list. So I gave in mix is equal to some different types of data types, and I given mixer some values here, and it's printed some values, and I printed mixed of 2. It's showing a mixed of 2, that means 213, 234.3 and ds. And again I checked whether it was a list or not. It's showing it is list, so it's a list. So I'm going to remove this all. Oh no, don't mind this, you can skip this. Okay, and the next one is dictionaries. Let's see what are dictionaries. An unordered collection of items, or dictionaries are unordered collection of keys, values, points. Dictionaries are huge amount of data. Dictionaries are optimized for retrieving the data, and dictionaries are defined with the braces. And I gave some examples here. I'm going to quote for the dictionaries. What the hell is this? Okay, I'm going to make this as command here. Okay, I gave when salaries is equal to some of my friends' names, and with their salaries, my salaries list. Okay, don't mind this. Okay, I printed the salaries and printed my salary and my friend's salary here, and I'm going to run here, showing some error. Okay, this is not fair. So we need to give this in beneath line, next line, so it works properly. Okay, save this. I'm going to run here. So watch here, the printed dictionary values salaries has been printed, and my friend's salary has been printed here. Okay, I'll give some extra special characters here. It won't takes. I'll save here, run here. So it's showing some error because we should not use any special characters here. And I'm going to quote some more. I'll remove this. Here, yeah, I printed salaries of Batman, unknown person, which is not in my list. So let's see what it will show. I'm going to save here and run it. So it's showing that it was an error, so Batman is not there in our list. This is the advantage of using dictionaries. So next I gave as a dictionary is equal to dict and print dictionary and printed a type of dictionaries. Okay, let's see in after the printing of this. Okay, I'm going to run this program. Watch here, it shows nothing. Braces means nothing in our dictionary, no data available in our dictionary. So I'm going to give some data in my dictionary. So I'm going to remove the save here, and I'm going to check whether it was dictionary or not. So it's showing as dictionary, and I'm going to give some values in my dictionary. So I'll remove hash values, and I'm going to paste here, save here and run the Python program. Watch here, so roll number is equal to 55. I printed again the dictionary, it shows 55. This is the type. In this way we can assign the values in dictionaries data type immutables. Okay, the last one, sets this one, an unordered collection of immutable data which has no duplicate elements, or set is an unordered collection of unique queue item. Set is defined by the value separated commas and braces. The slicing operator doesn't work here, so I gave some examples here. Okay, let's start it here. I'll remove the apostrophe values. Print set, I gave s is equal to set. I'll remove this also. Okay, I gave s is equal to sets, and print s, and printed the type of s. Okay, I'll show you some. Okay, top. Okay, watch here, I gave s is equal to set and print yes. Okay, we're going to save this and run the Python program. Watch here, so set, I printed set, and now I'm going to print whether what type of the set is it. So I'm going to remove the apostrophe values here, and gave here some. I'm going to run this program, and it's showing sets value. So this was the set, and now we are going to know how to assign the values in our sets. So s dot add is the command which is used to add values in the set. So you can watch here, 1,3 is added in our sets. So I'm going I printed the s values here. Okay, to remove the pop, I'll give pop removes values from the first place. So this commands helps us to remove the values from the right side. I gave pop of nothing, I printed yes, and I'll check again whether it was present in my value in my sets or not. So it removes the first from the right side. So I'll check now whether one is present in my set or not. I'm going to run here. Okay, false, it shows false. That means one is not available in our sets. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Okay, don't forget to get the notes from my description, and I have programs also in that list. So thank you for watching again. Keep smiling.